and now there's going to be like 108 bikes. यहाँ पे गाड़ी ऊपर चढ़ती बहुत मस्त है यार. Who said sports bikes can't off-road? Okay. I think now we're going to the lake area again, the same place where we went for the photo shoot in the morning, and now there's going to be like 108 bikes, 110 bikes. It's quite a long line, man. Check out the birds, man. Where's Lucifer? Okay, on the way back now. ये तो निकलने लग गया यार. यहाँ पे गाड़ी ऊपर चढ़ती बहुत मस्त है यार. Like a beautiful climb. Who said sports bikes can't off-road? बीच बीच में मुझे बस अपने बैक को बचाने के लिए खड़े होना पड़ता है. But you know what? Even when you're standing and riding, this is very comfortable.